Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 14th July. Let's have a look at some of the important events happened on 14th July in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. When you find a dream inside your heart, don't let it go because dreams are the seeds which lead you towards your success. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Who was appointed as the Viceroy of Deccan by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan on this day in 1636? Answer. Aurangzeb. He was the son of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Question number 2. Which Indian social reformer and educationist from Maharashtra born on this day in 1856 co-founded Deccan Education Society and Ferguson College with Bal Gangadhar Tilak and was editor of periodical Sudharak? Answer. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Question number 3. Which Indian industrialist born on this day in 1945 had founded a shell company on 11th August 1976? Answer. Shiv Nadar. Question number 4. Which Indian music director died on this day in 1975, left the army and joined All India Radio Lucknow, who first got his opportunity to sing film duet Pinjar Mein Bulbul Bole and Meri Chota Sa Dil Dole with Lata Mangeshkar under composer Ghulam Haidar for film Shahid? Answer. Madan Mohan. Question number 5. Which American inventor invented ice making machine on this day in 1850? Answer. John Gorey. Question number 6. Which American inventor patented his invention machine gun on this day in 1861? Answer. Richard Jordan Gatling. Question 7. Which Sweden chemist tested dynamite on this day in 1867? Answer. Alfred Nobel. Question number 8. Which country was declared as the first democratic country on this day in 1899? Answer. South America. Question number 9. Which American cartoonist born on this day in 1910 is one of the directors of cartoon series Tom and Jerry? Answer. William Hanna. Question number 10. Which year on this day French Revolution started? Answer. 1789. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.